CFH was formed in 1977, and obviously since then it's evolved hugely. We've gone through lithographic print, digital print. Clearly, both of those things are still part of what we do, but we're now majorly into the online world as well. We've been able to move very successfully with our clients in what they're demanding of us. So yeah, we've invested heavily. We always try and invest in the latest technology. Relationship between CFH and Konica Minolta is long term. We had machinery in the Slough factory. That was moved up to Livingston, and it's that machinery that's just been replaced by the new purchases that we've just signed off. So it gives us a smaller footprint, and obviously the print quality is absolutely up there with the best in the world. So that's why we've made that decision. And in terms of the strategy, it fits perfectly with what we're trying to do. It makes us more efficient. So a lot of the clients that we're dealing with are under budgetary constraints. So we engage heavily with our clients. We try and find out what they're trying to do, not necessarily what they're doing today, but where they want to be in 2 or 3 years' time. Find out what their challenges are and try and fix those, but also not cost them additional money is a huge factor in their decision to buy from CFH. And that then leads us to the technology that we've just invested in.
The C14010 is a more robust, high volume print engine than what we had previously, and service was one of the contributing factors to why we actually invested in the equipment, and they listened to us and react to our requests and our demands. And the feedback when we went through the purchasing process was they listened, they reacted, and they delivered. And we had 3 C6100s prior to this investment, and the support was excellent. Obviously we were hammering them and probably exceeding the volumes that the press was really capable of producing, but they remained reliable. Hence the reason that we invested again, because obviously we wanted high quality, good productivity and excellent service support. And our uptime was good on the C6100s, but the feedback I'm getting from the production managers in Scotland is that that's gone up to a lot higher level than it was before, mainly due because of the volumes we're processing through the engines, the higher duty cycle of the engines, the build quality of the engines is giving us that increased productivity and reliability. And we've invested in a lot of integrated finishing solutions, which are very robust, obviously makes us a lot more efficient than obviously offline finishing. And because they actually provide that solution themselves, and the competition were offering similar solutions but via integrated third-party equipment, then we found that that was more commercially viable for us.
It's easy to turn around and say our technology enables automation, it improves efficiency, productivity, but when you actually get that feedback from a customer that it's done exactly what it says on the tin, is fantastic, and really pleased that we've been able to achieve that for it. It reinforces belief in our products, our R&D, our direction of travel as a manufacturer, and what we're looking to do with regards to the growth of digital and professional print. And it's all about showing people the art of the possible. We're in a marketplace that is intensively looking for different ways in which it can remain relevant, it can take advantage of new opportunities, and that's what we do, and it's our responsibility to make sure we can convey that message to our customers.
Konica Minolta